Good morning, FST Concept students. Today we'll have a little lesson on compounding interest continuously. Now, yesterday at the end of class, we talked about determining the irrational number e, which we determined was approximately about 2.71828. This button on your calculator, if you go to second ln, you can see there is an e to the x button, which is going to be very helpful in doing these problems. When you compound interest continuously, and that means it's being compounded 1,000,000 times a second, an infinite number of times, it's compounded as many times as possible. Okay, and we determine that there is a limit to that. But when you compound interest continuously, you're going to use the formula of A equals P, which is the principal, times e to the RT power. So P is your principal, you have E, R is your rate as a decimal, and T is your time. So if I invest $800 at 4% interest for 8 years, my principal is $800. E is E. My rate as a decimal would be 0.04, and my time would be 8. All right, now if I do this on my calculator, I'm going to go 800, and then I'm going to hit the second LN button, which is the E to the X button. So it's going to be E to the, and then you're going to put in as your power 0.04 times 8. When you do this on your calculator, this should come out to be a grand total of about $11.01.70. Okay, another example here. This is combining what we've learned before. So if we're investing $9,000 at 5.2% for 12 years, if we're going to compound this, let's start with annually, once a year. That would just be 9,000, sorry. I'm going to start with 0.052, add the 1 to that, and I'm going to take it to the 12th power. That total will be about $16,536.04. Okay, compounded daily. So daily is 365 times a year, so it'd be 0.052. I'm going to divide by 365, add the 1. The 9,000 stays the same. 12 years, that power is going to be 12 times 365. 12 times 365, which is 4380. And then now doing that on my calculator, 9,000 in parentheses, I'm going to have 1 plus 0.052 divided by 365. Close that parenthesis and take that all to the 4,380 power. And you should get a little bit more than this, $16,796 and about 66 cents. Monthly is less than daily, so it should be something between the annually and daily. So 0.052 divided by 12, because there's 12 months in a year. Add the 1, because it's growing. We're going to multiply by 9,000, and this power is going to be 12 times 12 monthly for 12 years, which would be 144. Take my 9,000 times 1 plus 0.052 divided by 12. Close that parenthesis and take it to the 144th power. And we've got $16,774.78. And then as we learned today, if we're going to compound this continuously, we're going to use PERT. So my amount's going to equal 9,000 is my principal times E to the 0.052 times 12 power. Remember to get this E button, it's second ln on your calculator. So 9,000 second ln gives me the e to the 0.052 times 12 power. And we've got a grand total of $16,797.41. There'll be a short assignment posted online here. It'll be similar to this problem here. You'll need to do that and submit for your attendance today. Have a great day.